Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from group 2 for article analysis with members Nova Tania, Rahmanur Asi, and Hesti Jayanti. The title of content of our article analysis is first identity, second abstract, third research objective, fourth summary, and the last is conclusion. First is identity. For this article title is Beginning Ethnomathematics, Barongko-Cake Explorations as Mathematics Learning Resource. The authors are Hikmawati Patruddin, Kamariah, and M. Ihsan Nawawi. For the publication year is 2021 and from Journal on Mathematics Education, Volume 12, Number 2, page 295 until 312. The second is abstract. Mathematics is still viewed as a culture-free subject. This forms a negative perception for students on mathematics. Most students assume that mathematics and culture are not related. This may occur because mathematics taught in school is not contextual and far from the reality of everyday life. Historically, mathematics has become a part of daily life. As a maritime nation, Indonesia has a diverse culture, but many teachers are not yet aware of the integration of the culture into mathematics learning. Barongko-Cake is one of the Bugis cultural heritages. Bugis people have unconsciously been practicing mathematics in making this cake. Therefore, this research aims to explore activities in making barongko-cakes in the Baginese community that involves mathematical concepts. This research is a qualitative descriptive with an ethnographic approach. The data collection methods are carried out through observation, documentation, interview with an expert in making barongko cakes. This research found that barongko making process involves mathematics in the concept of division, congruence, and similarity, as well as triangular prisms and half spheres. This cake has the potential to be used as a source of contextual mathematics in school. And the third is research objective, will be explained by Hesti.
Okay, thank you. Next slide. The research objective of this article is to explore activities in making barongko cakes in the Bugis community that involves mathematical concept. Next. And then the summary of this article. This article discusses about mathematical concepts that are division, congruence, and similarity, and 3D shapes. First is concept of division. The initial step that needs to be done to make the barongko cake is to prepare banana leaf as a wrapper by dividing the banana leaves into several parts. If the length of the banana leaf separated from the midrib is denoted by X, and then the length of one side of the leaf used to wrap the barongko is denoted by Y, and the number of wrapping leaves obtained is denoted by N, then the equation can be obtained as follows: N equals to X divided by Y, with the n is the number of wrapping leaves obtained, and x is the length of the banana leaf separated from the midrib, and y is the length of one side of the leaf used to wrap the barongko. You can see from the picture in this slide, banana leaf ready to be divided into parts. And then this equation is denotes that the number of barongko cake wrappings obtained from one banana leaf is equal to twice the length of the banana leaf divided by the length of one side of the leaf that will be used to wrap the barongko. Next slide. Next is concept of congruence and similarity. After the banana leaf is divided into several parts, the leaf is then coated with another banana leaf. The size of the coating depends on the availability of the leaves. In general, the coating leaf and the outer leaf size are the same. The two leaves have a geometric concept, namely congruence. According to the concept of congruence, two or more objects are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and size, or the corresponding angles are the same and the corresponding sides are the same length. We can see from the pictures there the banana leaf have the same shape and same size. Next. And then the two leaves have the concept of geometry, namely similarity. According to the concept of similarity, two or more objects are similar if the corresponding angles have the same size and the corresponding sides have the same proportion. Or the corresponding angles are the same and the corresponding sides have the same proportion. Like the pictures in the slide, you can see the banana leaf have the same size and the corresponding size have the same proportion. Next. Next is concept of 3D shapes. So the next step in making barongko cake are to form the wrapping leaves according to the mold. The shape of barongko wrapper is a triangular prism. The properties of triangular prism is as follow. It has 5 sides consisting of 2 congruent triangles and 3 rectangles. And then it has 9 edges. Next is barongko cake is made from a dough that the dough is mixture of banana, sugar, coconut milk, and eggs. And then the dough is then poured into a triangular prism shape wrapper with the rule that the amount of dough poured is equal to half the volume of the cake wrapper. So we can use the volume of prism is equal to base multiplied by the edge of prism, with the base is equal to a half multiplied by base of triangle multiply by edge of triangle. Next will be explained by Nova.
Thank you, Desi, for the time. I will continue the explanation of the concept of 3D shape in barongko cake for process making for barongko cakes. If the number of dough per pack is symbolized by n, it can be written mathematically as follows. N is equal to a half times the volume of prism, and then sin the volume of prism is a half time base of triangle times height of triangle times height of prism. So we have the n is equal to 1/4 times base of triangle times height of triangle times the height of prism, where P is the base area of the triangle prism and is the number of dot per peg, which is expressed in centimeter square. P triangle is the triangle base on the base of the prism. H triangle is the triangle height at the base of the prism, and the last H prism is the height of the prism. And then this is the picture of putting the dog into the barongko wraps. Next. And another way, from the information obtained, the dough can be poured using a half spherical ladle. Since the ladle is a half sphere, can be written as follows. Volume half sphere is equal to a half times 4/3 PR power 3. Next. This is the picture of geometric model of ladle. This is similar with a half of sphere. And then to fill one wrapper, the dough is usually poured 3 times by using ladle. If the number of dough per peg is symbolized by n, it can be written mathematically as follows. N is equal to 3 times volume of half sphere. So we have N is equal to 2 PR power 3. Next. Okay, I will explain the conclusion of analysis article. This research demonstrates that the culture heritage such as barongko cake is still preserved and kept by the Baginese community. Baginese people have unconsciously been practicing mathematics in making barongko cakes. These mathematical activities have been used and studied by the Baginese themselves without a formal education. The result of this study has shown that the process of making barongko implies mathematical concept and can be used in mathematical learning in school. The concepts are related to division, congruence, and similarity, as well as 3D shapes such as a triangular, prism, and half sphere. Next. Therefore, the cake has the potential to be used as a starting point in making mathematical learning design. This research is expected to provide motivation and inspiration for mathematics teachers to apply culture in mathematics learning activity in the classroom. By applying the local culture, students are led to understand mathematical concepts easily because they are presented contextually. Thus, the student learning process become meaningful because their mathematics learning research come from the local culture and environment. Besides, this research is also expected to be a reference for future research exploring the other beginners at mathematics. Okay, this is the end of our explanation from analysis article. Thank you for attention. Hopefully this video can useful for us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.